I changed the whole look? Girl. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm really happy to be back with a makeup tutorial for you guys. Just before we get into the tutorial, I just want to say thank you to everybody who comments, likes, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So as you guys can see, I already have my base on because I really wanted this video to be just focused on the eyes because I didn't really change my base anyways lately. So if you guys want to see how I do it, you can always go back and check some of my older makeup tutorials from before the holidays. I go through with everything that I put on my face. It's pretty much the same thing. Yeah, so I thought today we would go a little bit more bold just because that's one of my goals for 2019. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So first I'm going to use my Huda Beauty palette, this one, the Topaz. I'm gonna use this color here, the yellow shade right here, and I'm going to take a big blending brush. We're gonna put this color on the crease. I know I didn't really like this color the first time I used it, but I thought I would use it in the crease just to add some color, I guess, and just see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. You guys can see it a little bit, but like I said before, it's not that pigmented. I know I'm using a big fluffy brush, but still, that's not pigmented to me. Okay, you guys can kind of see the yellow shade on. I'm gonna try and take a smaller blending brush and take the same shadow and see what it does. I'm gonna put it right in the crease just to see. Okay, it's not really doing anything, so we're just gonna leave it like this. I'm not mad at it. I actually want something pretty soft right now for my crease color anyways. Because next I'm gonna go into my other Huda Beauty, the Warm Brown Obsession palette, and I'm going to take that shadow right here, the really deep kind of orange, almost reddish color. I'm gonna put this in the crease just right under the yellow shade, and I'm going to take the smaller blending brush. So I'm just packing it on a little bit, and then we're gonna blend right after. Don't worry about the bottom because I'm gonna put another color after. But just worry about the transition here between the yellow and the orange color. And just make sure it's well blended together. You can always go back with your big blending brush, go back and dip into the yellow shade just a little bit, and then blend everything together. So there's no harsh lines, everything is well put together. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. So when you're done, I'm taking my Fire palette by NYX, and I'm going to take that purple shade right here, and I'm gonna put it all over the lid. So I'm taking a smaller like eyeshadow brush. So now I'm just gonna blend the two colors. So since I want it to be more purple, I'm gonna take the purple with my blending brush. You can take the same one, it's no problem, because anyways we use those two colors. Okay. So I'm just gonna clean up the sides with some concealer because I find I went a little bit too, like, I don't know. I just like it when it's cleaner. So now I'm just gonna do the lower lash lines. I'm just gonna take my angle brush and I'm just gonna take the purple to smoke it out. I'm gonna put it on the lower lash line. Then I'm taking my blending brush. I'm not adding anything. I'm just gonna blend everything together. So I'm just gonna go and do my eyes, put on mascara and some lashes, and I'll be back for the lips. Okay, so I thought I would add a little bit of glitter. So I'm gonna take that gold color here from the Warm Brown Obsession palette. This one here, I'm gonna put it in the inner corner. Just a little something. I'm just gonna take a small brush like this. I'm just blending the inner corner here with the purple. Oh wow, I feel like it changed everything. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the lips. Usually I would do a nude lip with something so bold on my eyes, but it's 2019 like I said. So I'm gonna go with a purple lip today. Put it all together. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. If I don't like it, I'll just wipe it off and put on a nude lip. So first, I'm just gonna take my Annabelle lip liner. This is Canadian, so if you're from the States, you probably won't be able to find it. So I'm just gonna line my lips. Basically, just a purple lip liner. And now I'm gonna take Kat Von D. It's in the color Damn liquid lipstick. I'm gonna put this over. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is what I came up with. Like I said in the beginning, we went really bold with this look and I'm not mad at it. I really like it. I like purple on me. It looks good. Like, yeah, it looks good. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. So just don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye.